Here is a quick interlude on refreshing data more granularly than you do this, well, through a regularly set up refresh mechanism or through clicking the refresh button. So first thing, you may know that Coda recently added a new action. Let's make a button that says refresh table. So you can take, for instance, in classes, refresh table, and whenever you click on it, it starts the sync. So you can set it up on, you cannot set it up on automation, but you can set it up just in somewhere in your button, in the end of your action. It will start something that we all waited for this for a long time. That you can, programmatically start sync of one table, multiple tables. You can put it in run actions, synchronize multiple tables at once. So it's a nice thing that we now have this. We can also do refresh column if it's a pack column that calculates something using a pack formula. But what if the table is very big and we don't want to refresh at all? Let's say we are syncing 1,000 of rows and we only need to refresh 1 or 2 as the result of something. Maybe we did something or we synced something and we just want to refresh 1 row. Well, this pack now has this pack also has this handy refresh row button that you should add on a column. Where did it go? Where did it go? Apparently this has to be very precisely placed on a column. So this button will only work if it's in a sync table. And you have to set it up. So there is some manual step. So yeah, the secret has to be the same that you are using in your table. That's why it's a good idea, just like I showed you in the personal dashboard, it's a good idea to externalize the secret in some other table so that you don't have to fish for it. You can just reuse the same constant. Oh, well, it goes in this. And then you have to also manually set the source. So where to load this row from. The button doesn't know anything about its context, in which row it's placed. The formula is usually, and you can see here it's in the help, the formula uses that source path field that I showed you in the last video. So the formula is usually this row object, source path, sync path, last. Yeah, it's not source path, it's sync path. And yeah, the secret has to be set. And why doesn't it? Yeah, it perhaps wants me to include this in the something definitely lags with this button. Yeah, not sure why. What happened there? There's one caveat with the refresh row. It will not refresh references. That's because of a bug in Coda. Hopefully it gets resolved. So if you change the teacher on this row, it will not replace it until you refresh the whole table. But let's see the classes. Let's say it's 5 hours, 6 hours, and 7 hours. You press refresh row. Well, not yet in the snapshot, but it will be in a few seconds. Okay, this just refreshed. This one for some reason doesn't want to refresh. And this one refreshed. So yeah, something went wrong with this too. I guess it replaced the, this is a bug with my pack. I will have to fix this as I finish this video. It replaced 2 dashes with 1 long dash. So that is a bug that will be fixed. I promise. See you in the next one.